guess I'm just a play date to you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hey, it's me Christina and I welcome you all to my channel. Guys, today I'm going to share with you all a Nykaa haul. I have bought them during their Holi Hangama sale. So I received my Nykaa products in this cardboard box, and if you want to know what's there in this box, then keep on watching. And now without further delay, let's jump into the video quickly. Okay, so the first product which I got from the haul is this Pantene Open Hair Miracle Oil Replacement Creme. You guys know how much I love this product, and I have repurchased this bottle. Obviously I had to, because this is one of my most favorite and essential product. Is how this looks. They have changed their packaging, and for 180 ml of product you only have to pay 190 bucks. And now let's move on to our next product. So the next product which I have bought is this, which is Matrix Biolace Smoothing Hair Serum. Guys, if you have watched my top 5 must have product which I recommended, so then you guys will know how much I love these products. I will leave that video link in the description box. You can check that out. And for 200 ml of product you have to only pay 300 bucks, but I again got it at a discounted rate. So the third product which I have bought in this haul is Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. So this is how it looks, and I have never tried this product before. I have heard a lot about this and I have seen a lot of reviews. So I went ahead and I got this Lakme Blur Perfect Primer, and yeah, I seriously love it. I have used it and I freaking loved it. So for 30 gram of product you have to only pay 750, but I got it at I guess 490 or something. I leave the price on the screen. From product, it just blurs out your pores and gives you a smooth base and finish, so when you apply your foundation you look flawless. The fourth product which I've got is this Rexona Sports Antiperspirant Roll-On. So this is also a must have, guys. I seriously love this one. It says it's men, and I don't believe in this man woman categorization in perfume, scent, antiperspirant. No, it's a must have product during summertime when you tend to sweat a lot. So it can be your savior, and I really feel fresh after applying this. So I definitely recommend you buying this. Okay, and for 50 ml of product you only have to pay 125 bucks, and it's a steal deal, guys. Next product which I have purchased is this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 230. This is their tube wala product which I picked up, because you know always I have this problem in finding my shade, because sometimes I feel that the shade doesn't exactly match my skin tone. So I was like skeptical about buying the bigger glass bottle. So I went ahead and I bought this mini tube one. For 18 ml of product you only have to pay 299, but again I got it at a cheaper rate. If you are a beginner and you want to try some good foundation, then you need to try the Maybelline Fit Me one. The next product which I have got is this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This is how it looks, and for 6 ml of product it is priced for 620, but I got it at for 400 something. And this is how the concealer looks. It's a roll-on type. You have to twist the concealer and then you get the product. Yeah, I have got this Lakme Peach Milk Soft Creme. This is a moisturizer. Guys, after I use this cream, it makes my skin so soft and supple, and I seriously love the texture of this cream. It doesn't feel sticky. This is priced at 40 rupees and you get 25 gram of product, but I did not get any discount on this. But you can definitely check the bigger tub of this, or small, whatever you want. Okay, so the next product which I've got is Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Compact, and I seriously needed a compact because I have almost hit the pan of my Maybelline Super Fresh Compact. So, and I seriously love Maybelline compacts, but I just wanted to try something else, and 8 gram of product, and you have to only pay 185, but I got this at 150 bucks, and this is how it looks. And this is in the shade Golden Sand. Then next I have 3 lipsticks. Okay, so the first lipstick which I have purchased is this Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. So, and it's in the shade Nude Dream, as 5.6 ml of product in it. I'll leave the price on the screen. This is the shade Nude Dream. Love the formulation of this lip color. Like, it's so comfortable on your lips. I seriously love the color, and even I love the formulation too. L18 Colourpop Matte Lipstick, which retails for 75 bucks, and it's in the shade N51 Nude Fix. This is the shade Nude Fix, and it's a very beautiful nude color. Suits all skin tone, and even it suits my skin tone too, and I definitely love the nude shade. And the last product from this haul is this Insight Non-Transfer Lip Color, and it's in the shade 01 Joyful. It's a very beautiful nude shade, and I have seen a lot of reviews about this product, so I went ahead and I got one for myself. And this is the color Joyful #1, and this lip color as well is pretty comfortable on lips. It's not so drying, and the staying power is also pretty good, and I definitely love this color and the product too. And so here we finish with our haul, and if you like this haul which I have shared with you all, then get to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon which is right beside the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, do not forget to check my description box out, and I will meet you all in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, bye guys, love you all.